come over and have a quick look at the NQ. So again, it's just bashing around between its lines. I've cleaned this chart up on a 2-hour time frame. So one up to here, I think this was the 2 in at the 618 retrace the other week. 5 up to the recent high, ABC for an A wave down, ABC. This B might not be in, we might just want to push on up. If we can hit the 886 retrace at 74.83 in the NQ, then the 1.0 lines up perfectly with this 618 of this move back here at 72.94. But there's the zone on the NQ for its 2 of 3, and then expecting the similar push up, the sort of relentless 3 of 3 ongoing over the next several weeks after that. Then the Dow Jones, this YM chart is just so picture perfect, it's untrue. There's the 1 up to here, ABC back for the 2, 1, 2, 3, right into the 1764, small expanded flat for the 4, right into the 138.2, 5, picture perfect hit on the 2786, 5 down for the A, B back, just looking for the C down. So 25.525, 25.415, one of those I would think will push the Dow Jones back up out of the top here and into its 3 of 3. And I am, just because of how clean this chart is, and therefore the setup gives me much higher confidence, I'm probably going to take a long position in futures in the Dow Jones. As and when I do, I will post it so that if you want to mirror it, you can do so.